how to reset home screen layout on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily reset your home screen layout. So if you want to make some changes to your home screen, you're in the right place. Just long press on any blank space of the screen, and then you'll find options like add widgets, change wallpaper, launcher settings, and even delete icon on the top right. So if you don't want any of the page, you can just hit delete. Or if you want to add one, just tap on the plus icon. And now you can go to widgets and you'll find a list of widgets that you can choose from. There are various layouts of the widgets. Just tap on it, just touch and hold the widget and then move it. And there you go. Now, if you want to change wallpaper, just tap on change wallpaper. Your Android will give you a list of wallpapers that you can choose from. You can choose your photos or the live wallpaper suggested by Android. Now, this is how you can change the layout of your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.